open up this here Vectrex 3300 exclusive, built-in, whatever. People are asking about it. What's in it? For sale. Alright, well that's taped down. I don't want to break that off. Got all the books in there. Some whatevers. Pull this out. That's it there. Do this real quick. So there it is in the bag. Kind of get an idea. So there's this. Oh, this thing is granite. Alright, so there's that. That to the side. This is it. That is it right there. They put it in a little baggie. Put the morning stuff on there. The cord. Oh yeah, from the bag. The bag's been on there forever. Came from Katie Toys. No, Child World. Probably up to the end. Massachusetts. Look at this. It's got those silicones there in the bag there. There's the cord. There's the serial number. Focus. 68852. On the box says 68852 on this second price. Child's Palace, Child World, $39.97. Imagine that. So yeah, there's that. You got the probably a dimming thing or whatever. What is that? USB? No, that's where you put the game in there. I get it from all the plastic being sealed up. It's all kind of whited out. But I'm glad I kind of took it out. Took it out of the. And that. Oh, shit, look at it. Get it off there. Alright. So let's try to power this thing up. Actually, you know what? Let me spin this around here. Styrofoam has a video taker. Yeah, we're big budget. Big budget. Just putting this video on here to show you guys what it is. Not even into this. It's for sale. Had a couple people offer 1,000. 1,100, 1,200, whatever. I got a old guy order house in Manchester, New Hampshire. They threw all the stuff out when they took over the house. And a lady fished this out of the dumpster. Took it out. Oh, here's the remote thing here. I'll try to get this out. Let's see that. That's the remote right there. Clip down. See if not on the video or not. There it is right there. Some sort of whatnot. Let's plug this thing in. Real quick, we got that on the video. We'll close. Alright. Here we go. First time since ever. Probably Hong Kong. not powering up. Does it need to? I don't know. It's not good. I can't get the remote to pop out. Damn thing. Yeah, I can't get the remote to pop out. Maybe it needs to warm up, I'm not sure. But it's not there. Does that come up? So that goes, alright, so that goes up. Alright, so that's it right there. Alright, so for the sake of the video, that goes up and you pull it down. Goes up and you gotta figure out how to pull it down. It's not powering up for some reason. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Arcade system, GCE. So that's pretty much it. It's not powering up right now. Don't know why, but so that's it. Probably cleaning. Maybe I don't know. Is there an on and off button switch or something? Somewhere. Not sure. This remote block back up in under here. So that's looks like that's looks like that is on off here. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh look at that. Oh, brand new, look at that. 1982. Mindstorm GCE. 1982. Look at that. Alright, it's got a 0 on there now, but no. Or minefield. Whatever. I haven't played one of these in 30 years. I know they have the screens and stuff for this here. Let's see if we can't. Oh, okay, alright. Try it. Oh, yeah. Don't know what this means about. Simply minefield 1. Another 1,005 points. So yeah. Whatever it is. I don't know what game it is, but so you know, there it is. I took it out of the box, make you happy. I shut up and buy it. The box with it, styrofoams, all that stuff. All complete.